Hi, 7th graders. Getting into week 8 here, and we are going to finish Unit 1, Foundations of Early Civilizations, this week. So last week, and also it's also going to be our fall break starting on Thursday. So a real short week, 3 days here, finishing up the Unit 1 final, which you got a good start on last week. So you'll see Monday through Wednesday. Thursday is a non-student contact day. For those of you who are all caught up, you can start your 4-day fall break on Thursday. I am available for questions and everything on Thursday, but starting Friday over the weekend, it's a 3-day weekend for teachers. Teachers will not be available Friday through Sunday. And as always, you will have a full 7 days to finish everything for week 8. So do know that your Unit 1 final is eventually due on Sunday. You'll see week 8, there are only 2 things. So remember week 7, you had your point paragraph. So for point evidence analysis, PEA, last week you did your point paragraph as a discussion and gave feedback. This week, starting out, you will be doing your evidence paragraphs, your 3 evidence paragraphs that will be determined by which 3 documents you use as evidence based on the point paragraph and what you chose, the 3 out of the 6 documents that you chose. And then the other assignment is the actual Unit 1 final. Now I suggest, doesn't have to be exactly, but I suggest that doing a 5-paragraph essay. You've done the point paragraph already. The evidence discussion will be your 3 evidence paragraphs, and then you have to do a concluding paragraph. So that's really all you need to do this week is complete what you started last week in your Unit 1 final. Again, I suggest a 5-paragraph essay. First paragraph is your point paragraph, which you've already done. Your 3 evidence paragraphs are the 3 paragraphs in the middle, and then a concluding or analysis paragraph at the end. And so that's it for week 8. Remember, Monday through Wednesday, you get everything done, then you give yourself a 4-day weekend. I will be available Monday through Thursday. I will not be available Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Everything is eventually due Sunday night at midnight. Let me know if you have any questions. Please be checking your gradebook on a regular basis. We'll be starting Unit 2 next week then. All right, thanks. Let me know what questions you have.